Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. Italian motorcycle manufacturer Moto Morini will be launching two new motorcycle models soon and will be known as Seiemmezzo Str and Seiemmezzo SCR. So let's check this out. Both models are in the naked and scrambler segments, as well as sharing the same 649cc inline 2-cylinders DOHC 8-valve 4-stroke liquid coolant engine with BOSCH electric fuel injection system. This engine produces a maximum power of 60 horsepower at 8,250 rpm with a peak torque of 54 newtons at 7,000 rpm. The maximum speed of both models is said to reach 175 km per hour, while the fuel tank comes with a capacity of 15 liters for longer journeys. The standard specifications offered by the Seiemmezzo Str and Seiemmezzo SCR include a 43mm adjustable Kayaba upside-down front fork, adjustable Kayaba rear monoshock, twin front disc brakes, single rear disc brakes, ABS by BOSCH, and 18 inches front wheels as well as 17 inches rear wheel. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoy this video.